First rates on your screen Thursday morning, and Nifty is it's a mild uptick on the Nifty of about 4 points. For the Bank Nifty, it's a downtick of about 32 points. You don't have too many newsmakers, but the big newsmaker is going to be Grasim ahead of Aditya Birla Capital listing, ABCL. That really could be the big talking point for next 24 hours or for next 2-3 trading sessions. Almost 1200 rupees for Grasim now. Oil marketing stocks, let's revisit OMCs one by one. HPCL, BPCL and IOC, they are just consolidating. Let me put it this way, oil marketing stocks are simply consolidating as we speak. Microfinance companies, especially Ujjivan, they are off to a decent start. I won't say they are off to a cracking start. NTPC, the last day of OFS, it's been a flat stock with a downward bias. And then if you're a mid-cap trader, it was Bombay Dyeing yesterday once again, and Bombay Dyeing is again off to a rather decent start. Anything which I can spot on my screen which could be classified as an outlier this Thursday morning? Adani Enterprises, Andhra Cement, hello, check this one out. Andhra Cement has appreciated by nearly 5%, and the reason why I'm marking Andhra Cement is because volume action in Andhra Cement is way higher than what we've seen in a long time. But a very dull start, you know, it doesn't tell you that this is the morning after yesterday's 100-point gain on the Nifty.
It was bound to be, because even yesterday's move came in on the back of extremely poor volume, extremely poor NFI or a DII figure. Remember, yesterday's DII buy figure was just about 250 crore rupees. There was hardly any cash buying, and FII sold what? Just about 12 crore rupees in index options. So yeah, you know, expect it to be very unlike other expiries. It's not going to have such a volatile impact on the markets today. In any case, the SGX Nifty is indicating a soft start, so soft how it has turned out to be. What's moving in trade? Let's check in on what the big mover from yesterday, JP Associates, is up to. Then we'll come back to Ujjivan, Adani Enterprises. These have been big movers. JP Associates is taking a pause today. Adani Enterprises is held up, gap up. So 2% move coming in there. All the approvals for the Carmichael project in Australia are now in place, which is why you're seeing again some sentimental bump up on Adani Enterprises. Adani Power also continues to be hogging the limelight along with Adani Enterprises. This too has been a big mover, so look out for this one too, and there too the traction continues. Fortis Healthcare, Ujjivan, these were all the big movers yesterday, so most of them you're seeing some traction continue. Couple of other stocks which are going to be in focus, and look out for what ONGC is doing, because they've sought shareholders not to raise about 25,000 crore rupees for HPCL stake buy. This is something that you read in the Economic Times first today. In fact, talking about ONGC, I also want to revisit what the OMCs are up to. HP, BP, IOC, a big move in this entire pack. Call it the Hurricane Harvey effect, but today we are seeing some red ticks there. Having said that, Reliance is continuing to be a big mover. For Reliance as well, it's a beneficiary the way Hurricane Harvey or any hurricane in the US is going to have its impact on Singapore GRMs. Reliance is a big mover, 1% higher for this one. Biocon, that's the other stock in focus. The US FDA has delayed the decision on Mylan, Biocon's biosimilar to Herceptin, so look out for Biocon as well. Within minutes from now, we're going to be chatting with Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw as well. And BPCL is looking to restart its crude unit at its Kochari refinery this week, so look out for this stock too. NTPC, a good 141% demand up until now from institutional investors, while the retail portion has gotten demand of about 73% on day 2 of the OFS. NTPC at 160.